Papakalma lang. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna have my February favorites. Actually, it's not just February favorite, but it's the whole 4 months. 4 months na nawala akong favorites ko. So, medyo marami to. That's why, medyo hinati ko siya into 2 videos. Hindi, not 2 videos, pero kalahati lang yung kinuha ko. Most probably, kasi gagamitin ko rin to throughout. So, yung mga tinira kong produkto, gagawin ko siya for the March favorites. Kasi most probably, ito pa rin yung mga product na gagamitin ko. So, yeah, let's get started. So, the first one in my favorites, the first half will be makeups. And then, the other half would be beauty products. Yung talagang pampaganda ng kutis, pampaganda ng ganyan. So, might as well, let's start. The first one in my favorites, don't you love the weather, guys? First off, I really love the weather. Alam niyo yung maaraw siya, pero hindi mainit sa katawan, maginaw-ginaw. Unlike yung mga nakaraang araw, kasi medyo mainit na, humid pa, na, ewan. Sobrang iba sa feeling. Pero ngayon, medyo mainit, pero maginaw sa katawan. Kasi yung makeup ko, ang ganda eh. Oh, usually, kasi pangalawang video ko na itong ini-edit ngayon, ginagawa ngayon. So, usually, pag ganito, hulas na yung makeup ko, but hindi pa ako nag-retouch. Okay pa rin yung aking makeup. So, anyway, let's get started with my February favorites. The first one, alam nyo, it's so unusual for me to have a dry skin kasi throughout my life, nung high school ako at saka elementary ako, hindi ako oily. Pero since nag-start ako gumamit ng mga products, nung nag-turn into oily yung skin ko, apparently, ngayon, it's very, 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 very new to me. Kasi ang skin ko is dry. Not actually, meron pa rin mga times na oily yung skin ko, but not that oily. So ngayon, naninibago ako kasi yung skin ko nga, hindi siya ganun ka-oily. Anyway, so the first, ano ba kwento ko? The first favorite that I have is this Olay Total Effects CC Cream. Ito siya. Ito. So I've been loving this kasi it really helps on those dry patches that I have. Kasi itong areang to, including my nose, is very dry. Ay, hindi, not my nose, but this area is very dry. So, this really helps kasi medyo moisturizing tong CC cream na to. So, it really helps me a lot. It even out my skin tone, plus yun nga, yung dry patches na tutulungan niya ako doon. And, perfect yung shade niya sa akin. Anong bang shade to? Light to medium yung shade na nakuha ko. So, I've been loving this. I actually just bought it. So, it's been helping me. Talagang tinutulungan niya ako dun sa dry patches ko. At saka, even yung skin tone ko pag umaalis ako. So, I've been loving this sobra. It's a good base for, eto, ginagamit ko siya kung maganda yung powder na ginagamit ko. Like, for example, I would use yung mga tinted powder like this Simply Pretty kasi medyo parang foundation yung effect niya sa akin. So, I would use this as a base kasi it even out the skin tone. Hindi siya ganun kabigat sa mukha. So, I've been loving this. Maganda siyang base if you're gonna use a powder foundation, yung mga ganon. So, it's a good base. I really love it. And, yun. So, this one is my first favorite na nabili ko siya sa Robinsons department store for only 900 plus. Nakalimutan ko, 900 plus yung presyo niya. So, I've been loving this. The next one and my favorite is this Happy Physicians Formula Happy Booster. Ito siya. So, it's a highlighter. It's a booster. Most probably, it's a booster kasi it has a shimmer on it eh. So, at yung bang-bango niya. Sobrang bango nito. As in, nakaka-relax yung amoy nito. Tsaka hindi siya ganun kabilis nawawala sa mukha. Yung amoy. Ay! Sayang! Hindi siya ganun kabilis nawawala sa yung amoy niya sa mukha niya. So, I've been loving this. Wait lang, kukunin ko lang yung mga nalagyan. So, ito siya. Ito yung loob niya. Mga hearts. And it comes with a ano ba tawag? Sponge. Dito sponge eh. Powder thingy. So, it comes with this. Tsaka, ang sarap din ito sa mukha. Hindi siya rough, hindi siya sobrang lambot niya. Ang bango. At yun ang unang-unang nagustuhan ko dito kasi sobrang bango niya. It just give a little boost in your face eh. Totoo yung sabi niya, it's a booster kasi parang it gives your skin, parang binibigyan niya ng buhay yung skin niya, especially kung patay. Siyempre may mga araw na parang wala ka lang, diba? Ito, it will give you that. It's a good highlighter also kasi dalawa yung shade ng heart sa loob eh. Merong dark at saka merong gold. Yung gold, you can put it as a highlight. So, yun. But, ang ginagawa ko sa kanya parang powder kasi ini-spread. Hindi ganun karami konti-konti lang. I'm just gonna spread it all over my face. At parang glowing na yung skin ko. So, I've been loving this product. Again, in case na nakalimutan ko sabihin dito yung prices, kasi katulad nito, nakalimutan ko yung price kung magkano ko siya binili. So, I'm just gonna put everything in the description box for you guys. And then, next one, in my favorite, is this, dalawa na ginagamit ko for my brows. The first one is the Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. The shade that I have is, ano bang shade ito? Medium brown yata to. It's a medium brown. So, mousse beige siya. Ang ganda niya. Glides smoothly. Dahil cream beige siya, madali siyang i-glide sa eyebrows. And also, madali siyang i-blend. Ang ganda niya, ang ganda niya. And this is only 99 pesos. Mabibili niyo to sa supermarket, sa department store, meron nito. Kasi meron na ang Maybelline ngayon na you can buy them sa supermarket eh. So this is only 99 pesos. I really love it. And kapartner nito, ang ginagamit ko is this Everbelena 1983 Eyeshadow Duo in London. Actually, hindi ko ginagamit yung gray, pero eyeshadow to ha. Pero ginagamit ko siya for my brows. Ginagamit ko tong dark brown na to. Ginagamit ko muna to, just to set this, I'm gonna use this dark brown kasi medyo light yung color nito eh. Kasi ang ginagawa ko, this one is light, this one is dark. So, eto, ginagamit ko at the end. Hindi, siguro mga 3/4 hanggang sa dulo ko siya ginagamit. So, yun. Etong dalawang favorite ko. And, yun lang sa makeup. Then, let's go on with my favorite products for the month of February. Not actually February, but you know, one brand na gustong-gusto ko sobra. And that one is the Glutasea set. This is not sponsored whatsoever, guys. Hindi to sponsored, but I super duper love this set. The Glutasea Intense White with glutathione and glutacina soap. The Glutasea Intense Whitening Body Lotion with SPF 25. And then the Glutasea Intense Whitening Facial Day Cream Whitening and Anti-Aging with SPF 25 also. And then the Glutasea Intense Whitening Deodorant with SPF 25. Charot! Wala tong SPF 25. Joke. Sobrang mahal na mahal ko to, as in, mahal na mahal ko to. It really helped me a lot sa aking patay na puti, sa aking oily skin, sa aking oily face pala, sa aking pangingitim. So, tinulungan niya ako. If you want to have a separate video, kasi I'm planning to make a separate video regarding this brand. Again, hindi to sponsored whatsoever, not sponsored, okay? But I really love the product, so I will have a different video, a separate video regarding this product. Thumbs up kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng separate video regarding this products, and yun, excited ako sa kanya. Let's continue on. Ang ingay ng aso. Hindi may mga pusa ko tahimik. Sabihan niya ako pag okay na. Okay na sila! Hindi pa rin. Sumasaway sa akin. So the next one in my favorite, guys, is this Skin Make Forever Young Shark Oil. But this is only 109 pesos. It's very useful, guys. Very maganda sa skin. I actually use this at night. It's my night regimen, and in love ako dito. In love ako dito. Actually, ang dami kong in love. Diba? Sa produkto na lang ako in love ngayon. Hugot! Anyway, so I super duper love this. Next one in my favorite is Tresemme, the Keratin Smooth. Now, you guys, maraming nagtanong sa akin kung anong masasuggest kong produkto for those who have dry hair, rebonded hair, over-treated hair. Ito isa to sa marirecommend ko sa inyo, the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. It comes with a shampoo and conditioner. individually, this is 149, the shampoo, and the conditioner is 175 pesos, yung ganito. But you can also buy the bigger one. Walang sachet, nakaka-depress nga eh. I opted, ako, as you know me, medyo budget-friendly, budget type ako. So, I prefer, ginagamit muna yung sachet rather than buying the big one. But with this one, binili ko yung malaki kasi ito na yung pinakamaliit nila. So, I tried this one. Ang ganda-ganda niya sa buhok, guys. And it's very mabango. Sobra. You will absolutely love this. For those who have dry hair or for those who have damaged hair, totally big recommendation itong Tresemme Tresemme Keratin Smooth. Ang ganda-ganda nito. I suggest you guys to try it out. The next one is my favorite. My favorite is very random, but this is the Pepsodent. Ewan ko ba't sinali ko tayo, pero gustong-gusto ko siya. Gusto namin mag-ina to. The Pepsodent Whitening with Perlite in Tubes. Ito siya. Ang packaging nito, yung parang may gold. Not overly gold, white and gold yung packaging niya. I super love this kasi it really helps in whitening the ipin. Hindi mo siya mako-compare, hindi mo to mako-compare dun sa ano eh, yung ganito. Yung Colgate Optic White, yung mga ganito, at saka yung Diamond Attraction ng Close-Up. Kasi yun, it gives you automatic white skin. Unfortunately, with this, pag tinigil nyo siya, it will eventually return to its original color. So, hindi siya pang long time use for, ano lang siya, for automatic use or for now use. Ito kasi, it gives you paunti-unting whitening ng teeth. So, I've been loving this. And also, hindi siya ganun ka-minty. Tendency na ang toothpaste masyado maanghang. So, ayaw namin ng ganun. So, this comes with a very light taste, very light texture. So, we've been loving this and yun lang. And again, all the products I mentioned in this favorite will be in the description box, including the prices. And kung meron pa kayong mga tanong, just go in the comment bars and ask me there. And what else? Basically, that's it for my favorite. Again, yung Gluta-C, guys, if you wanted to have an in-depth review, kaya medyo mabilis lang siya kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng in-depth review regarding that product. So, go ahead and thumbs up if you want that also. And basically, that's it for my February favorite or my 4 months favorite. February favorites. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please do give me a big thumbs up. And kung hindi ba kayo nakakapag-subscribe dito sa channel ko, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. And also, follow me in my everyday life, in my vlog. I will link the YouTube channel that I have for my everyday life in the description box kasi nag-update na rin ako doon. And what else? Please do follow me in Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Again, in the description box. And yeah, that's it for my favorite. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye!